Hello guys, good to have you back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can get rid of this indicator on a Renault Kangoo. This is a service indicator. Oil needs to be changed with a filter and you have to check the car for other services. We did an oil change with an oil filter and I'm going to show you how you can get rid of this indicator. Before we start, our YouTube channel is Service Reset My Car. We'd appreciate it if you help us develop more videos by subscribing to our channel. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos. Any comments, any questions, use the comment area below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, when we start the car, this indicator keeps on and I want to get rid of that. First step is turn off the car, turn the ignition on to the second position, and then we have a thumbstick over here, this one, an up button and this button. We use the button up to scroll through the menu, and once you are here with the indicator that says change the oil as soon as possible, once you are here, you press the button up, keep pressing that till the indicator, one moment, yes, till this starts blinking and it goes away. Like this, keep pressing it, hold it, and you let it go when the yellow indicator of surface is disappeared. That was it for this car. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time with another video. Bye bye.